Fisherman Village Tourist Center is a center where a place where fishing activities and business can be conduct and act together as a tourist center. My slides will cover from the concept diagram, how the site planning, and also some design ideas. First of all, my concept is dynamic and adaptive architecture. Buildings that adapt positively with site context in achieving comprehensive design without neglecting the use of modern technology. Can be simplified as building capable of achieving sustainability, architectural environment that adaptable to surrounding, safe energy consumption using dynamic structure, also intelligent building that can interact with climate condition. So my main reason is Site 2 prominent feature is the peacefulness, serene and calm environment. It draws inspiration from the coastline, sensation of surrounding context, distinctive beach promenade, and also the sense of place portraits for the local community. The promenade captures the key element of beach and also the fisherman's life. The design will blend in with the site context and traverse multiple spaces while keeping the sense of belonging of the place. Move on to the concept diagram. First of all is the axiality axis. The use of axiality axis play with the vertical and horizontal lines where the most part of the facade focusing view sea and the river features, which is aesthetic features, and also sensory where glass panel facade facing base view, which is the river and also the sea, implying kinetic facade towards area that may facing the morning or evening sun. Kinetic facade can reduce energy consumption, such as lighting during daylight. And move on, dynamic spaces. Create dynamic space to encourage interaction between client and the viewer, such as courtyard and outdoor deck. And also space that can traverse indoor and outdoor, solid and void, to enhance space function and also maximizing seamless nature view. Lastly is site adaptation, adapting to all available natural context, avoid cutting the trees, and also keep the dynamic shape and form of the building, follow the abstract form of slope and also the promenade of the beach. Schematic floor plan, basically there are 4 parts where the spaces, the purple ones is where the admin spaces, entrance, reception, meeting room is divided within this color green courtyard. Basically it distinct the admin spaces or also the main spaces or the interactive spaces. Main spaces is the surround facilities, central plaza, semi-outdoor gallery and also the outdoor performance. Upstairs, which is the main gallery. Also, the left part over here is the workshop, equipment repair service, docks, which is all related to the boat activities. And also the right part over here, the wet market, frozen food, souvenirs and also the fishing activities. Fresh fish will be bring to the wet market to sell for the customers. First floor plan where the office is located at the first floor. Main spaces, interactive spaces, which we have the main gallery, souvenir shop, and also outdoor deck. In front of the main gallery, there is void where people can view the river, seamless view, and also the right part over here where the wet market. On top of it is the restaurant, kitchen, and also some facilities. The restaurant can view the beautiful promenade of the beach while enjoying their food. Basically, it distinct admin area with the usage of courtyard and outdoor spaces, retaining most part of the natural context without cutting the trees, site adaptation, and also maximizing view towards the site with proper space planning. These are some design ideas approach. First, kinetic facade and external texture control. Allow natural daylight through openings from dynamic facade. Save energy consumption such as lighting during daylight. Plus, natural daylight gives more beautiful color rendering if used for the main gallery, such as the museum for Shanghai over here. And also sloping roofscape. Combine 2 items by bringing roof to ground level and utilizing the ground plane to act as roof structures. It maximizes the use of space while minimizing carbon footprint. An open space design and perfect for sightseeing. Third one is dynamic spatial organization and circulation. Design outdoor spaces, deck and pathway to make easy access around the tourist center, which travels indoors and outdoor. It increases the cross ventilation and recirculation of the building. The deck, handrail and pathway can meander through the nature context and clad with nature base such as red shadder to blend in with the site. It is to capture the astonishing view of the site and enjoy the serene of the site with the while enjoying the serene of the site. Lastly, the sustainable building materials. Achieve sustainable design as a whole, minimize carbon footprint, reduce waste towards end of construction, and low energy consumption. Example, the usage of timber frame, plasterboard, steel frame and plasterboard, corrugated and perforated steel. It also reflects the memories and daily life of client or the fishermen in working with materials like timber and steel for boat making workshops. A strong sense of appreciation towards the fishermen. Basically, these materials has low project cost, aesthetic appeal, high strength, innovative, efficient, and also modifiable, and increase the speed of construction without harming the environment.